Whoa. South Carolina gets an F in social distancing. Oh my gosh. I think this is a good reason to go take a little walk. Hey, Rennie, come on, let's go outside and walk that bad news off. These are definitely the wrong shoes. So with things kind of how they are, I'm not really positive when I'm going to get back to photographing people, but eBay has come along and kind of scratched the creative itch I had to shoot photos and do product photography. I've also got a tip for taking photos for eBay or OfferUp or anything like those kind of sites coming up a little bit later on. I know a lot of people are hesitant to use eBay. I think it is a very person-specific platform, just like really any platform on the internet is going to be. Most of my stuff has been some old electronics, broken electronics selling for parts, action figures, and some software that none of my computers can run anymore, like Final Cut Studio, which was $1,200 brand new, and I'll be lucky to get $20 for now. So that's the lesson in depreciation for today. Oh crap, I forgot my dog. Renegade! Renegade! Finally some use for these since 1997, eBay. So it's pretty evident my strategy is just having a little something to generate some pocket change, and then I can flip that around and turn it into some money for Facebook ads I had to come up off of beforehand. Thanks for that tip, Gary V. Here's the white background I'm going to use to shoot all this stuff that I'm putting on eBay. Now, actually, close this door and the windows over here. The reasoning for that is because the light outside is constantly changing. I want all the light to stay the same on these photos. That way, when I get into the edit, I can adjust one photo and apply that same adjustment across the entire batch of photos. I got a pancake lens on this camera right here. There's actually a 40mm lens, which is kind of a nice neutral lens. Not too wide, not too long or telephoto. It's also a 2.8 f-stop on this lens, so I can really go in on parts in the package like this right here that have got some damage, and I can blur in the lens itself the areas around a particular spot. So what I could do is, say I want to really show the damage right here because I don't want to deceive anybody. This is not mint condition stuff. It's fair to good condition stuff. I want you to really put your eye on where the damaged parts might be, and you know, that's just this case right here. It could be put your eye on the part that looks really, really good. So that shadow depth of field, I can do it all in lens and really blur areas around a damaged corner on the box or something like that. And this works with your phone too. You can use portrait mode on iPhones to blur around edges. But an app called Snapseed is really one of my favorites, where you can go in post-production and just blur around a particular area and draw your eye to the in-focus area of a photo. I kind of want to tell him to point that foot a different direction. Like I want to give him like modeling advice, but he's really good at still life photography. He's got that down pat though. I got into photography to take pictures of people and can't really do that right now, so.
I won't break, hate it when I get like that. Oh no, it's just a scrape, gotta keep my shit intact. When the life we had, it ain't coming back anymore. Built your walls to hide your weakness. Said you'd given up on Jesus, but when Mom left, you swear something else was with us in our home. Showed me boys can cry too.